for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I'll do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what, told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up. I do roll like a Mac.
Full Malossi Italjet 200. What is up, riders? Today I am taking this Italjet, been a long time coming. We're going to be taking it through to Simonstown. Clayton's going to be joining us, my dad on the PCX, a few others, and we're going to have some super cool shots. Cool, let's start up. Remember, this is the aquapovic exhaust. We took out the DB killer, so this should be quite loud. It's a cold start. That thing sounds insane. I think it's gonna kill my ears on the long ride to Simonstown, but we're gonna have some fun. Already rode it, and it has a lot more power with exhaust and the Malossi Parts, so we're gonna check that out. Woo! What's up?
Bro, this bike is incredible. It's absolutely, bro, I'm telling you, I'm finished, bro. No, I'm dead serious, bro.
Really?
I've driven so many different bikes lately and tried this bike's changed everything for me. This thing sounds like a 600 at 11,000 RPM. It's insane the way it drives, handling the ABS. Come into a corner and brake
Really?
with the back, and the ABS shudders and it keeps me in that line while I'm braking with the back.
Is it a single or twin, eh? Single.
Huh?
Single or
Single, yeah.
Ooh.
But it's a full-on motocross engine in
Yeah,
there.
yeah, no, it really
Look at
is.
the stroke.
It
Check
really
the-
is.
Check the head, dual overhead cam to make 34 Newton meters and 44 horsepower, and it weighs nothing. This is the king of small bike. I was watching a few guys do reviews and they're just dubbing this thing the king over and over and over, and that was the 2019. They've done a huge upgrade on the latest model. They've changed the system, the dual overhead cam a bit, they've worked on some porting stuff, and it's just, I think this bike it's actually perfect.
Filled up, ready to go. Clayton, how are you enjoying this one?
Absolutely loving this bike on another level, bro.
So you power wheeling on the way,
So easy.
hopefully gonna see more of that. This thing's also a beast. I hit 146 tucking down a hill, and I hit the rev limiter.
I saw.
Yeah, I hit the rev limiter, but yeah. But
Absolutely.
so we're hopefully gonna cruise now. Boys Drive in Cape Town, beautiful view, and we'll see you in Simonstown. This thing's very loud. Can you even hear your voiceover?
It crackles like anything.
It does.
But like when you ride at a constant, it almost sounds like you can hear like a crackle now.
Yeah.
Like,
Yes,
it's like weird.
it does.
It's just on another level. I'm in my own world here, bro.
I know.
What's going on around me, bro?
You just need a pipe.
I'm enjoying it without the pipe because it lets me hear it. I've been listening to them with pipes on.
Yeah.
This for some reason is just, when you're on it yourself,
Yeah.
it's so clean. It sounds
Yeah.
like an inline four.
Yeah.
You see when you take it for a ride later.
Oh. All the bikers are here. Got some awesome bikes, BMWs, SV1000s, Kawasaki's. Clayton over there doing his video. Definitely go check out his video. It'll be linked in the description below. He's doing a review on that KTM. Oh, this is nice. Got Dolty. Last time he was on his Tracer, now he's on his R6 PCX. Of course, the Italjet, the Duke 390, and the V-Strom. Not my favorite, but I have ridden it. Very comfy. Cool. Just had an awesome breakfast, but we're gonna head out, do some nice B-roll. So let's head into that. So let's talk about what Malossi Parts is in this Italjet Dragster. Firstly, in the drive, you've got the Malossi Multivar 2000, you've got the rear torque driver, and you've got a Malossi adjustable clutch. Then for the exhaust pipe, it's running an Akrapovic exhaust pipe, full system with an O2 sensor. And finally, it's running a Malossi pod filter for that bigger air intake. The only other items you can still get for this bike is a 204cc barrel, the Force Master computer box, which is just going to give you that better RPM and better performance curves. And Malossi has just announced they are doing a performance cam for this model, which that will be available very, very soon. What an awesome day, guys. We had this amazing Italjet Dragster. What a difference, night and day from the stock. I mean, it's a huge performance gain. The Acro pipe makes you ride like a bit of a hooligan. It was super fun. Definitely think I need to experience the 204 barrel on this thing because that apparently matches the Vespa GT300 HPE, which is insane already as it is. So that'll be exciting to see in a future video. Big shout out to Scoot Doctor in Cape Town. They lent this beautiful bike to us, so give them some love. I'll put their links in the description below. Big thank you to Malossi SA as well. We do obviously do Malossi, so check that out on our website. Big thanks to Clayton. He's filming this right now and he did an awesome review on a KTM 390. So go check that out on his channel. His links will also be down below in the description. I'm very excited to see more of these scooters and see what we can do with these and the Vespas. I'd love to get some Vespas on the channel, get some Italian heritage in. So remember to like and subscribe. It helps us out a lot, and comment down below something. Engage with us. We'll get back to you. We love commenting. We love hearing what you have to say and where you're from. So keep that up and we'll see you next time. Cheers.